The Jordan Spizike Low Oreo returns with a clean black and white design that blends classic Jordan heritage with modern appeal. Inspired by the fan-favorite Air Jordan 5 Oreo, this retro hybrid silhouette mixes tumbled leather, nubuck, and mesh for a rich, textured look. Key details like white eyelets, a crisp Jumpman tongue logo, and a milk-white lace lock add subtle contrast, while the signature cement heel molding keeps the AJ3 DNA alive. The shoe rides on a black midsole with a white wedge and a matching black outsole for a sleek finish. Spike Lee and 40 Acres heel badges also make their return, grounding the pair in Spizike history. With its wearable palette and nostalgic influence, the Oreo Spizike Low stands out as one of Jordan Brand's most anticipated hybrid releases. Expected to drop in the first half of 2026 through Nike and select retailers, this colorway is set to attract heavy sneakerhead attention.